Imagine a future where diseases are predicted long before they even begin to manifest. Thanks to artificial intelligence, AI, this future is already becoming a reality. AI-powered healthcare technologies are revolutionizing the way we approach medicine and disease prevention. From predicting chronic illnesses to catching early signs of cancer, AI is reshaping healthcare as we know it. In this video, we'll explore how AI is enabling us to predict diseases before they happen and the potential it holds for transforming global health. 1. The rise of AI in healthcare. The healthcare industry has long been dominated by human expertise, but AI is quickly changing that. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speed allows it to identify patterns and predict outcomes with incredible accuracy. Machine learning algorithms, which power AI, can process medical data such as patient histories, imaging scans, and genetic information to provide valuable insights. AI is no longer just a concept in research labs. It's being implemented in hospitals and clinics worldwide. From predicting heart attacks to detecting early signs of dementia, AI is becoming an indispensable tool in modern medicine. The potential for AI to save lives by predicting diseases before they strike is immense and growing every day. 2. Predicting heart disease with AI. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death globally, but AI is helping to change that. By analyzing patient data, including lifestyle factors, family history, and even heart rate patterns, AI can predict the likelihood of a heart attack or stroke. AI systems can process this information much faster than traditional diagnostic methods, leading to earlier intervention. For example, AI-powered wearable devices can monitor your heart in real time, sending alerts if something abnormal is detected. This level of monitoring allows doctors to intervene before a serious event occurs, saving countless lives. In the future, we may even have AI tools that can predict the exact time and type of cardiovascular event, enabling preventive measures like never before. 3. Early detection of cancer. Cancer detection is another area where AI is making a profound impact. Traditionally, cancer detection involved imaging tests like mammograms, CT scans, and MRIs, which doctors would analyze manually. Now, AI can assist in identifying abnormalities in these scans with a much higher level of accuracy. By using deep learning algorithms, AI systems can spot early signs of cancer that may not be visible to the human eye. In fact, AI has been shown to outperform radiologists in certain types of scans, like breast cancer detection. Early detection of cancer significantly increases the chances of successful treatment, and AI's ability to detect it in its earliest stages is a game changer. 4. AI in genetic testing and personalized medicine. Genetic testing has opened up new avenues for predicting diseases, and AI is amplifying its capabilities. AI algorithms can analyze genetic data to identify mutations or markers that predispose individuals to specific conditions like Alzheimer's, diabetes, and even certain cancers. This allows for personalized healthcare strategies tailored to an individual's genetic makeup, which can include targeted treatments or preventive measures. Moreover, AI can predict how an individual will respond to certain medications, leading to more effective and personalized treatments. This combination of genetic testing and AI-powered predictions has the potential to revolutionize preventive medicine and personalized care. With this approach, we can stop diseases before they even begin to develop, making healthcare more proactive than ever before. 5. High-powered wearables and remote monitoring. Wearables are becoming a crucial part of healthcare, and AI is enhancing their capabilities to predict diseases in real time. Devices like smartwatches can monitor vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen levels continuously. AI can then analyze this data to detect patterns or abnormalities that may indicate the onset of a disease, like hypertension or diabetes. With remote monitoring tools, doctors can track a patient's health remotely and intervene quickly if they notice any concerning signs. This proactive approach to healthcare helps to catch potential issues early, reducing the need for invasive tests and hospital visits. In the future, these AI-powered wearables could even detect conditions like sleep apnea or irregular heart rhythms before symptoms appear, allowing for early intervention. 6. Preventing diabetes with AI. Diabetes is another chronic disease that can be predicted and managed with the help of AI. AI systems can analyze a person's lifestyle choices, genetics, and medical history to assess their risk of developing diabetes. By combining data from health records with real-time information from wearables, AI can predict when a person is most at risk for developing the disease. Once the risk is identified, AI can recommend lifestyle changes or medications to prevent the disease from progressing. For those already diagnosed with diabetes, AI can help with managing their condition by predicting fluctuations in blood sugar levels and recommending timely interventions. AI's ability to predict and prevent diabetes has the potential to significantly reduce the global burden of this chronic condition. 7. AI in neurological disorders. Neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's are notoriously difficult to predict and diagnose. AI is helping researchers identify early warning signs of these conditions through the analysis of brain scans and cognitive tests. By detecting changes in brain activity or specific biomarkers, AI can predict the onset of neurological diseases years before symptoms appear. This early detection allows for the possibility of early interventions, such as cognitive therapies or lifestyle changes, that could delay or even prevent the onset of these debilitating conditions. AI can also help doctors monitor patients with neurological disorders, adjusting treatment plans based on real-time data. By using AI in this way, we can change the course of neurological diseases and improve the quality of life for millions of people. 8. AI in mental health prediction. Mental health is another area where AI is making a huge difference. By analyzing data from wearable devices, social media activity, and even voice patterns, AI can predict mental health conditions like depression and anxiety. AI can also track the effectiveness of mental health treatments by analyzing changes in a person's behavior over time. This predictive capability enables healthcare providers to intervene before mental health conditions worsen, leading to better outcomes for patients. Furthermore, AI can help identify individuals who may be at risk for mental health issues, even when they may not seek help themselves. This proactive approach to mental health care is a game changer, ensuring that individuals get the support they need at the right time. 9. The ethics of AI in healthcare. While AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, there are ethical concerns that need to be addressed. How can we ensure that AI systems are transparent and unbiased when predicting diseases? Who owns the data that AI systems rely on, and how can we ensure it is protected? There are also concerns about the potential for AI to replace human jobs in healthcare, especially in areas like diagnostics. Ethical guidelines and regulations will be crucial to ensuring that AI is used responsibly and effectively in healthcare settings. It is essential that we strike a balance between innovation and safeguarding patient privacy, autonomy, and trust. 10. The future of AI in disease prediction. Looking ahead, the future of AI in healthcare holds even more promise. We can expect AI to become even more accurate and efficient at predicting a wide range of diseases, from cancer to infectious diseases. AI-powered tools will likely become more integrated into daily healthcare, providing continuous monitoring and early alerts to both patients and doctors. As more data becomes available, AI will improve its predictive abilities, allowing for even earlier interventions and more personalized treatments. The ultimate goal is a future where diseases are not just treated, but predicted and prevented before they ever occur. As we continue to unlock the full potential of AI, the possibilities for improving human health are truly endless. Conclusion: the power of prediction in healthcare. In conclusion, AI-powered healthcare is allowing us to predict diseases with unprecedented accuracy and speed. From heart disease to cancer and mental health, AI is transforming the way we approach prevention and treatment. By catching diseases early, we can reduce their impact and improve quality of life for millions of people around the world. As we move into the future, the potential for AI to revolutionize healthcare is limitless. With continuous advancements and ethical considerations, AI will play a pivotal role in building a healthier, more proactive world. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like and subscribe for more updates on how technology is shaping the future of healthcare.